Hey everyone, in this video we are talking about scientific notation, and at the end of this video you will be able to turn any number into scientific notation following a simple rule. So the rule that was used in all these examples and the rule that you are going to use is the following. You want to transform the number that you have, for example 7,052,300 and so on. So any number you want to have it in this format. One number that is between 1 and 10. So it could be 1 or more, but it's less than 10. This number would be multiplied by a power of 10. Now we will see what this power of 10 will be. Let's look at the first example. The first one is 7 billion. As you can see, you have 9 zeros. And like I said, I want this very big number to be one small number that's between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. Now, the way to do it is to look for the decimal point. There is no decimal point in this number, so I'm going to add 1 on my own. So if there is no decimal point, this is going to be 0.0. Now you will have to count the number of steps you will have to move this decimal point to the left or to the right in order to get a number in between 1 and 10. For example, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you are moving this decimal point 9 steps to the left in order to get a number in between 1 and 10. That's 7 in this case. And since you are moving to the left, you will add a plus 9 to the power of 10. So it's 10 to the power of plus 9. So that's rule number 1, and it's basically the only rule. If you're moving to the left, you will have a positive exponent, and if you're moving to the right, you will have a negative exponent. Let's look at the other example. 52,300. Again, there is no decimal point, so it's 0.0. 1, 2, 3, 4. I moved it 4 times to the left, so 4 times to the left, hence the 10 to the power of 4, in order to get a number in between 1 and 10. That's 5.23. Next example, I have a decimal point, and this number right here is not in between 1 and 10. So I'm moving the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 3 times to the right, so 3 times to the right, meaning I will have a negative exponent. So 3.2 times 10 to the minus 3. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way I will have a number in between 1 and 10, and the number of steps is 5 to the right, meaning negative 5 on the exponent. And that's it. See you in the next one.